Hey there. So we're going to do a little unboxing of a firework assortment by Winda fireworks. The flying space assortment. Can't really read that too well. But let's see what we get. It's about $57 where I go, which is Mess's Fireworks in Pennsylvania. Great store. If you're in the area, check it out. Great prices. Either way, let's see what you get for $57 if I can actually get the stuff out of here. Alright, first thing I grabbed, golden flower fountain. Everybody knows what those do. Nandora's box? I've heard of Pandora's box, but not Nandora's box. Another little fountain. Little box fountain. Those are always so excellent, aren't they? Awesome Blossom. That is extremely light. Alright. Magic box. Another fountain. Lots of fountains. Honestly, these fountains are so light, I feel like the wind is going to take them away. That would be fun, wouldn't it? Oh, my favorite. Snakes. Snakes. Everybody loves snakes and sparklers. Yellow bees. Again, everybody knows what that one does. Cool. Little combination there. Oh, Jesus. Some smoke balls that are all falling out of their packaging. There should be one more in there, I think. Not sure. Maybe it's, oh, yeah, it is a 6-piece, so we're missing one. Try to get those back in. Just doing a great job. Doing a great job. Where's that other smoke bomb? I can't find it. Can't find it. Let's try to get these rockets out of here. I like how the rockets are longer than the zipper on the bags. 2-ounce, 12-piece wisdom rockets. They are so wise, so smart. Alright, and now we got 6 10-ball red and green Roman candles. Oh, wow. I mean, so far, if you like fountains, this is certainly a great assortment. But that's every assortment nowadays, right? Oh, here we go. Speak the devil. Fantastic fountain. Guess what that is? It's a fountain. 25 shot Saturn missile battery. Not terrible. The ground blooms. Gotta have some of those in there, right? A 8-pack of 35-second long 10-inch golden sparklers. Gotta have some sparklers to go with your snakes. Snakes and sparklers, man. Snakes and sparklers. Oh, Jesus, are you really telling me that out of all of this? Yeah, okay. 50 strip firecrackers. Nice. 100 individual firecrackers. One cake.
Right, you didn't want to